Hello, juniors. This is Essential Elements, page 6, book 2. We're going to do 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. No, we'll just do up to 24. And then we'll save the other ones for the next one. So, number 21, the rhythm rap. We now have, in the second measure, a note on the and of the beat. And so, the way you count that is 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1 into the number. So if I count through, I'm just going to count through number 21. You would have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 3, 4, 1, and 3, 4, 1, and 3. And so after the first measure, there are no notes on beat 2. Beat 2 is silent. So now let's play that. We're going to do that on each open string, starting on the bottom string. Number 21, rhythm rap. 1 and 2 and ready and go and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Next string. Next string. Top string. One of the things that tends to happen, I'm guilty of that a little bit there, when you start having eighth notes off the beat, you start shortening your quarter notes. So make sure that the quarter note gets the full amount. So now we're going to do 22, 23, and 24. So instruments up. Each one of them we're going to do twice. Here we go. Number 22. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. Again. Number 23. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. Bow lift. And now we're going to do that one again, 23, second time, and go and. Bow lift. And now 24, jump start. And 24 starts with a pickup. There's an eighth note pickup. So the way we would count this off would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And so that first note happens on the and of 4, of a measure that doesn't exist. So we would just count that, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. And so if you notice, looking at 24, the last measure does not have 4 beats in it. It has 3.5 beats, which if you took music technology or you've been playing music, you should know that's wrong. And so it's like, why is it missing a half a beat? And the custom, the tradition, which goes back 500 or 600 years, if you start with what's called a pickup, and you have like a little extra before it starts, that little extra is taken off the end so that the whole thing still adds up to 4. So since there's an extra 8th note at the beginning, you lose an 8th note at the end, so that when we play it and jump back to the beginning, it works out even. So that last measure has 3.5 beats, because the missing half beat is at the very beginning of the piece. So here's 24 Jumpstart, which is a punny title, and it starts with a pickup. So we're going to try this a couple times. Here we go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and beginning. And now I'm going to do it counting the entire time so you can hear how that would work. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 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 1, and 2, and 3. We're at the beginning. And 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and over. Great, so that's 21 through 24. We'll move on to the next page, number 25 next time. Stay safe out there. Bye.